so while at the Vaughan Mill Shopping Center, I got Ugg boots. I went to Ugg, 50% off, official Ugg boots. They're actually really elegant when I put them on, but this is the real thing. In Europe, this would be more than 250 euros on sale. So I got this for 163. That's including tax and Canadian dollars, of course. But so I'm so excited. My first pair of Ugg boots. And they also had a face shop there, and I had to redeem my points. So I got the Moisture Body Wash, Honey Citronelle, and 2 of these Blackhead Out nose strips. We're going to eat at a really nice Chinese place. This one, Ding Tai Fung. Yeah, so this is hot and sour soup, and this is pork belly with rice. And this is egg soup, I think.
Yeah.
And now we got the bok choy with garlic. Everyone's happy. Hi, Ryan. Take care. Beef and cashews.
You playing with that?
And these are shrimp dumplings.
I'm doing it.
Without telling.
And this is some things of ginger that they gave us. But inside, I added soy sauce and some vinegar that's on the table over there. And so you dip the dumplings in here, or look what he did. He put it in the spoon. Here we are. And it looks like that. And he had some sauce in there, and so he can eat it like that. We're at the York University campus, and we're here because Enrico wants to see how much the prices cost for the Rogers Cup, which is a tennis tournament competition that is here at York University in Toronto. Anyways, this is a beautiful school. They have a nice big campus.
Ah, that's nice. I remember.
This way to tennis. We came from that way. I'm a graduate of U of T, the University of Toronto, and my brother is a graduate of York University. So he knows this, he's here with us, he knows this campus very well. So that's where you have to go. Look, Bouchard is a tennis player. Serena Williams is going to be here too. She's my favorite. Of course, okay, so you can come this far without paying, but I need to show you. Do you see the Rolex thing there? Because Rolex is a sponsor. So they have a Rolex little clock thingy. Ta-da! We got tickets! Beautiful, beautiful tickets for the Rogers Cup. Okay.
Look at the ducky duck.
There is this pond. That's not a seagull. That's a goose, Enrico.
Oh, yeah.
That's a goose. And there are a lot of geese around here. They're beautiful.
But this is a lake, or this water
No,
goes
this
somewhere?
is a pond. Right in York University.
They are coming to search for some foodie.
Yeah, those are graduate student housing.
Yeah. Okay. Look at all of them are coming this way now.
Yes, because they think some food is ready.
Yeah.
Dinner time. Squirrel.
So beautiful.
He was looking for food. Hi.
That's pretty adorable.
What's he doing? I found a rabbit. It was just in the middle of the walkway. Hi, rabbit. My brother was telling me there are a ton of rabbits around here. Hi.
Wow, well, you are beautiful.
It's a beautiful rabbit.
Beautiful you are.
He has a fluffy tail. He or she. Look at the tail.
A lot of stuff from the stew then.
Like master, this time of year we have deer.
Food court and kind of like mini mall inside York University. Second cup, I got a vanilla espresso frappe. It's not very icy though. It's not like slushy, it's liquidy. But I like it. But my brother got a vanilla lemonade thing and he said it's unbearably sweet.
There's the food, so we have to water it.
It is extremely beautiful. Weeping willows, love them.
Yeah. Oh yeah? Yeah.